Welcome back to our series. It's Inspector X here, guiding you through the world of Florida building permits and inspections. In our 8th episode, we're diving deep into wind design pressures. If you're doing any exterior work, you'll see these listed as a pair of numbers: a positive pressure for pushing forces and a negative for pulling forces. So, what happens when the plans don't specify these pressures? The very first step is to identify the building's risk category. You can find this in Table 1600 for Point 5 of the 2023 Florida Building Code. Category 1 is for storage, 2 is residential, 3 is commercial, and Category 4 is for essential facilities like hospitals. Next, you need to find your project's location on the wind speed maps in the Florida Building Code. These are in Figures 1609.3 or 301.2. From there, you'll find the ultimate design wind speed in miles per hour. Always remember to check for any local amendments that might apply. Once you have the wind speed, you can calculate the wind design pressures in pounds per square inch. This is done using either the ASCE 7 standard, specifically chapters 26 to 30, or by using Table R 301.22 in the residential code. This calculation depends on several factors. First is the average roof height. Then, the roof type. A gable roof is different from a hip roof. The roof slope also matters. It's often given as a pitch, which you'll need to convert into degrees for the tables. You can do this with a simple formula. The arctangent of the pitch divided by 12 gives you the degrees. We also have to consider the different roof and wall zones. These are specific areas on the building, measured in feet from edges and corners, that experience higher wind pressures. Finally, we account for the effective wind area of the component being installed. But we're not done yet. A correction factor is needed based on the site's exposure category. Is it Category B, which is urban or wooded, Category C, which is open terrain with scattered obstructions, or Category D, for flat, unobstructed areas near water? Garage doors even have their own special table for design pressures for larger or more complex projects, like commercial buildings or roofs over 30 feet high. You'll need site-specific wind design pressures prepared by a licensed engineer. This brings me to our resource of the trade, Engineering Express. They provide engineered wind loads and have online calculators to help you estimate pressures in Florida. Check out the link in the description. These design pressures are crucial. We use them to make sure the products you choose, like siding, roofing, windows, and doors, have been tested and approved to withstand the required forces. We'll get into product approval documents in our next episode. This episode was brought to you by Approved Permit, your go-to private provider for fast and affordable plan review, permitting, and inspection services. Their link is in the description too. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay compliant. See you next time.